Hello guys, welcome to this video. Today we are going to look at analytical geometry. So this is our example, this is our exercise I'm going to look at. So this is ng math, this is eng 31, eng 31. So I'm going to guide you step by step on how to answer this question. This question is on rotation. So let's see how we can do about it. We have solution. Alright, you can pause the video and try it yourself. Feel free to pause the video and try it yourself. Alright, first question, we have a point which is 3 and 4. First, you write your point, which is 3 and 4, point B. That's the first thing to do. The next is rotated 60 degrees. Next, you write your angle, 60 degrees. Alright, so next, counterclockwise about the origin. Counterclockwise around the origin. Determine the new coordinate of the point after rotation. Alright, after rotation. Let's see how we can do about that. So we can see that we can remember that our new coordinate is going to be x prime and y prime. It's going to be x prime and y prime. So how can we get x prime and y prime? Remember that the formula to get this is given by x prime is equals to x cos theta, then negative y sin theta, negative y sin theta, and for the z prime is equals to x sine of theta and positive x cos of theta. Alright, so this is how the formula is. So we can say that my x prime is given by what's my x? My x, which is this is x and this is y. My x, which is 3. So this is 3 cos. What is my angle? My angle is 60. The negative y, y is what? 4. Then sine of what? 60 degrees. I seen it. So this is equals to 3 times cos of 60 is half. Negative 4 times sine of 60 is root 3 over 2. Alright, so this is equals to this is going to be 3 times this is 3 over 2. Negative 2 here 1, 2 here is what? 2. This is 2 root 3. Alright, so we can still simplify this. We can take the LCM, which is 2. So 2 divided by 2 is 1 times this. This is 3 negative 4 root 3. So this will give me as 3 negative 4 root 3 divided by 2. Alright, so this is for my x. Similarly for my y prime, remember that we say this is y sine, x rather, is x sine of theta positive, yes, it's y rather, yes, it's y. So here is going to be y cos of theta. Alright, so this is going to be x, what's my x, which is 3. You can see there, this is 3. Then sine of what? 60. Then positive, what's my y? My y is giving us 4. And cos of what? Of 60. So this is equals to, this is 3 times sine of 60 is root 3 over 2. Positive 4 times cos of 60 is 1 over 2. So this is going to be 3 root 3 over 2. Then positive, 3 root 3 over 2, positive 2. Right, so if I take my LCM here, this is going to be 2 here. This is 3 root 2 plus 4. So answer is going to be 3, here's going to be 3 rather. 3 root 3 plus 4 over 2. Alright. So our final answer is going to be x prime comma y prime. X prime comma y prime is going to be, what's my x? My x is given as this. This is x prime rather 3 negative 4 root 3 over 2 over 2, everything is over 2 here. Then comma, then for my y, this is y prime rather over 3 the root 3 rather plus 4 divided by 2. Alright, so this is my final answer. Feel free to try the number 2 and drop your answer in the comment section.